Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer 11-quart review. The only one that replaced my oven for good. You know that moment at 5:45 p.m. when everyone's starving, the kids are fighting, and you're staring at a package of chicken and a bag of frozen fries wondering how you're going to get both done at the same time, without one being cold and sad by the time the other finishes? Or when you finally sit down to eat and realize you forgot the veggies again? I've been there way too many times, rushing between the oven and the stovetop, burning one thing while the other is still frozen in the middle, then eating in shifts because nothing is hot together. It's exhausting, it's chaotic, and honestly, it makes you never want to cook again. That chaos doesn't just ruin dinner, it steals your entire evening. You spend more time juggling timers and checking temperatures than actually enjoying the meal with your family. The chicken dries out while you wait for the fries to crisp. Someone ends up microwaving their plate because everything got cold. You feel guilty for serving half-hearted food, guilty for yelling at the kids to wait, and guilty for ordering takeout yet again because cooking feels impossible. Week after week, you lose precious hours you'll never get back. And the worst part? You still end up eating food that's nowhere near as good as it could be. It's not just about dinner anymore. It's about losing the joy of feeding the people you love. Then I brought home the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer with its two completely independent 5.5-quart baskets, 11 quarts total. For the first time, I could cook two totally different foods at two different temperatures and have them finish at the exact same second using sync finish. No more mental math, no more staggering start times, no more, eat this while I wait for that. It's like having two perfect little ovens that actually talk to each other and decide to be ready together. Suddenly cooking two things at once isn't a circus act. It's just dinner. The magic is in the details. Sync finish starts the longer cook first, so everything hits the table piping hot together, every single time. Toss reminder beeps halfway, so I never forget to shake the fries for that perfect crisp. Auto pause stops cooking the second I pull a basket out to check seasoning, then picks right back up when I slide it in. I've done salmon at 400° Fahrenheit in one basket and asparagus at 320° Fahrenheit in the other, both perfect at the 18-minute mark. A friend cooked wings in one side and brownies in the other. Yes, brownies, and they came out insane. One mom told me her picky eaters now eat veggies because she roasts them sweet and crispy while the nuggets cook beside them. The viewing windows and lights mean I can actually see what's happening without losing heat. It's so stupidly reliable that I haven't turned my big oven on for dinner in months. If you're done with cold fries and dry chicken and eating in shifts, grab the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer right now, while Costco and Amazon still have it at the lowest price I've seen all year. Link in description plus pinned comment. One click and you'll never have to choose between hot food and together food again. Your family deserves meals that are actually ready at the same time. And you deserve to get your evenings back. Click the link. Thank me after your first perfect dinner. You've waited long enough.